multiple.
Yeah.
So again, it's Proud Veteran 76.
And wife, Shelly.
Please, if you like our videos, subscribe, like, comment. Oh, and I forgot, Bones is back again. So this is the last part of a huge box that we got. Let's see what we got in here.
Oh, lovely packing peanuts.
Oh, is it?
Yep, they get everywhere. Oh, maybe
keep
not.
It.
Nope, nope.
I was gonna say, I'll
Oh,
keep it up.
it looks like a paint by thing.
Oh my God, I love these. I love these. I've done so many of them.
And you needed a new
Oh my
one.
God. And we're just, oh, this one's got an easel too. Very nice. Oh, there it is. Oh, but it's made, custom made for a couple.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's custom made for a couple.
Let's see.
See?
Oh.
Sorry guys.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's the frame.
And thumb packs. Yeah. Oh, that's a frame for
This is
it?
a frame.
Oh, sorry guys.
Well, you know what though? You can hijack their frame and their paint.
For the ones I already got.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but you still need a base for it. Yes, and so it's, I don't know how it would go. I'll figure it out. Like this. Oh, there is a space in there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see there you go. But this.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, so like I said, you can hijack that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry guys, you didn't give your painting.
Good. Open them. I can use the paint for sure.
Yeah. Squishy.
Alright, that's a keeper. I can even cut the bottom cut them off. Yeah, that's too bad though. You probably paid extra. I've seen some sites on Google that you can do that. You send them a picture and they'll make a puzzle or paint by number. What is that?
Borderless, free your mind. I don't know what the heck this is.
Free your mind, the rest will follow.
Oh.
That's a jacket.
Jacket.
That's a jacket.
Jacket.
Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. What size?
Medium?
I can't. Yeah, I can't. Garage sale.
Garage sale. Alright.
The last garage sale we had was, oh God. Started on a Friday, it was 98 degrees. Went into Saturday, started getting windy, and went down to about 70. And then Sunday was warm again. But we actually made a profit, so we did very well. It always surprises me what people will buy. The oddest thing, oh, this won't sell, and you end up selling it.
Well, sometimes we do donations, and then the rest we'll do for garage sale.
Yeah. Yeah, a lady towards the end came from after church, and she had been in, was it a kind of preschool, Sunday school, and we had some stuff for Easter that we gave her. Oh.
Cool.
Oh, this is nice. This is a syrup for your pancakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Oh, so it's just a holder for the syrup? Yeah.
Yeah.
Honey, oh, it's a syrup or honey dispenser.
Oh,
Honey in it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, keepers.
Yeah,
We
definitely.
can keep those.
Because I've got my
All right.
Mrs. Butterworth.
Is that it?